Gesture function. Keep your palm within 1 and 15/16 inches 5 centimeters of the control panel, and swipe from one gesture sensing window to the other at a suitable speed. Power on, standby, wave left right across sensor windows, turn on. Fan speed, in working mode. Wave left to right across the two sensor windows on both sides. To cycle through low, medium, high, stir-fry speed. Power off, in working mode. Wave right to left across the two sensor windows on both sides. To turn off the hood, F delay shutdown is enabled. The first wave activates delay mode. Wave again to shut down immediately. In standby mode, hold light and smart clean for 3 seconds. To turn gesture control on or off. Gesture control can also be enabled or disabled via the Smart Life app.